What's up, YouTube? Today, it's LasFit day. So, you've seen some of the other videos where the LX470 has got some headlights, it's got reverse lights, and then also the 5th Gen 4Runner has those headlights, those LasFit LED headlights. Well, today, I have another treat. So that special treat today is actually the front turn signals, but they're switchback. And I'll show you a little example of that a little later in the video. But if this is something that you're looking for, this is going to be a little install video and a review of these LasFit switchback turn signals, front turn signals for the 5th Gen 4Runner. So stay tuned. So this is a 10 millimeter 1/4 inch drive ratchet. So 10 millimeter socket, 1/4 inch ratchet. And the only reason why I use a 1/4 inch because it's small. And there's no need to have anything bigger because these things aren't torqued in there, right? So as you saw, this right here is going to be the driver's side. I've just taken off these three, and then there's one up top here. So you'll see that there's these little clips here, and they're kind of holding on to this lower color match panel. And all we really want to do is just be able to have access up high into the headlight. This is a little tricky, but you move this out and then you look all the way back up in here and you'll find the back end of that housing. And essentially, it's going to be that bulb right there. You see how it's a halogen, orange halogen bulb? It's replacing that one. So it's really not that far of a distance between this access point here and that bulb. So let's see if I can film it while I'm reaching in. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel it. Okay, so all it is a quick, there we go. Oh, that was pretty easy. So there it is. All is just a twist, and then this bulb is just pressed inside. I might need two hands. All right, I need two hands. Quite a bit larger, wouldn't you say? But it'll fit back there. And you know what? They work fine, so I'm gonna keep them. But I'm definitely gonna install those. Pretty cool if you can see it. It says LasFit right there on the end. Very nice. So as you can see, that plug is just hanging right there. You're gonna definitely need two hands. Right, it's not a one-hand job, and you can get two hands in there. Just take off your watch, reach in there, and you just got to press it up, and then reach for the socket and screw it right back in, and then definitely test it. Oh, that's easy. Just put it right in. Look, I even got the LasFit logo to be right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, let's go test it out real quick and then we'll do the other side. Definitely much brighter with the LEDs. Now check it out. LED LasFit headlight. And then look at that. There's LEDs that are actually on that turn signal too. So additional lighting. Very clean. Now headlight on, and this is where the switchback is. LasFit headlight. This is definitely a must. I'll put a link in the description for those. Look at those bulbs go. No hyper flash, perfectly flashing. Those are pretty sweet. I like that. You know, I was a little apprehensive. They're like a turn signal switchback. Like, what does that mean? But that thing is really sweet. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go install the other side, and then we'll put it in the garage and we'll try to see what it really looks like with some low light. Because right now it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a little cloudy, but it's kind of hard to really get at what it looks like when it's darker outside or in a shaded area. So let's check it out. So here's an interesting fact, is that if you have your, not just your daytime running lights, but your, I guess it would be your marker lights going, like this particular light. So you have, you know, several different switches. Your switchback will actually be turned on. Now I need to change that. Now it doesn't match, right? My daytime running light does not match the rest of my LEDs up here. So that'll have to wait till another episode. Hey, so on the passenger side, it installs just the same. Now, I did get a little hyper flash over there, and I didn't panic. All I did is I turned the car off, and I went over there and I actually disconnected it and then switched it or turned it around. I don't know if maybe I installed it improperly, like the contacts weren't actually touching. But when I did that, maybe the polarity is different. Like you have to have it in one way, and it was fine. Just remember, 1-year warranty. I have LasFit just on every piece of lighting on my vehicle. This was just another thing that I wanted to do. If you act now, you're gonna get a great percentage. Check out the link below. I like it. This thing is cool. It looks good, and it's very functional, very bright. And in this day and age, driving on the road, you want to be seen. You want people to know that you're changing lanes. And what better way than to have a LasFit LED bulb in as a turn signal. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Why won't it focus? Why won't it focus?